Hello students, today I will tell you how to solve assertion reason type of question answers. So, what are basically assertion reason type of question answers? These are the questions in which you will be provided with two statements. So, in these type of question answers, you will be provided with two statements. So, the statement one in this case, it will be called as assertion. Statement one will be called as assertion, and the statement two it will be called as reason. So statement 2 will be the reason and statement 1 will be the assertion. So how to solve these questions? So firstly, you have to read both the statements carefully. So you have to read both the statements carefully, and then you have to give the options accordingly. So here, these are the options you have to mark according to the statements. So let us talk about the options, then you will get to know more about this. So option A, you have to mark when both the statement 1 and 2, that is both the assertion and reason will be correct, are true, and the statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So basically what happens here is the statement 2, it is always the reason. So you have to identify whether the reason it is the correct explanation of the assertion or not. So you have to tell whether reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So if it will be the correct explanation of assertion, then your correct option will be option A. In case both the reason as well as assertion, that is statement 1 and statement 2, if both were correct, so both statement 1 and 2 will be correct, but statement 2, that is reason, is not the correct explanation of assertion, that is, and the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, in that case you have to mark option B. And then C option in this stands for correct statement 1, that is if statement 1, which is our assertion, is correct and statement 2, which is our reason, is incorrect. So C option you will mark when the assertion will be true but the reason will be false. And similarly, D statement you will mark when assertion will be true and reason will be false. Then your correct option will be option D. So let us repeat this once. Your option A will be when both statement 1 and 2 are correct and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. And option B you have to mark when both assertion and reason will be correct and reason, it will not be the correct explanation of the assertion. Then option C you will mark when your assertion will be true and reason will be false. And then option D you have to mark when your assertion is wrong but reason is correct. So here you have to mention that when statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. When statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true, then it will be your option D. So let us know the trick how to solve these questions in an easy manner. So students, from these assertion and reason, first point or the first step you have to notice is you just have to check whether both of these are true. Because in option A and B, in this both assertion as well as reason are true. In option A as well as in option B, both assertion as well as reason are true. And in case of C and D, one out of these two will be definitely incorrect, that is false. So firstly, you have to read two statements, then you have to check whether both are true or false. So let us start with this example. Example is assertion is muscle of stomach wall possess thick layers of muscles. So we know the stomach wall, it has thick muscles. So this is a true statement. So statement assertion is true. So reason is these muscles help in mixing the food with the enzymes present in the stomach. So this statement is also true because what is the significance of these muscles? The significance of these muscles is to mix the food with the enzymes that are secreted by the gastric glands of our stomach. So this is again true. So with this, we can see the option will be definitely from these two. Why? Because these two are the options in which both of these are true. Because in C option, A is true, but R is false. But we have seen both are true. So this will never be the correct option. And D again, in this assertion is false, but reason is true. So in this, there is at least one statement false. So this will never be the correct option for this. So your first step here, it is done that you have identified that both the statements are true. So you have 50-50 options. So here the correct option will be definitely from these two options, option A or option B, right? So then we have to identify whether this is the correct explanation of this or not. So let us talk about the reason. So the reason was these muscles help in mixing the food with the enzymes present in the stomach. So we know the muscles of the stomach, they help in the mixing of food with the enzymes that are secreted by the gastric glands of our stomach. So this is our correct explanation of assertion. So our correct option will be option A, because the reason it explains the assertion correctly. In case the reason would be the incorrect option, incorrect explanation, then our correct option would be option B. So option A is correct option in this because both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. So next question, if we talk about, it is assertion is fishes have higher breathing rates, and the reason is they have single circulation. So similarly, first step we will do, we will identify whether both of these statements are correct or incorrect. So assertion fishes have higher breathing rates. So this is true. Fishes have higher breathing rate. And then the reason is they have single circulation. So fishes, they possess single circulation. This is also true. And now we again got 50-50 options because we know both our statements are true. So our option, it will be either from option A or from option B. C or D options are here deducted because not a single statement is false. So C or D option always we have to consider when at least one statement is false or incorrect. So now if we talk about assertion, fishes have higher breathing rate, this is correct. And then the reason given is they have single circulation. So fishes, they have higher breathing rates because the amount of oxygen in water is less. So because the amount of oxygen in water that is in dissolved form, it is less. So the breathing rate, high breathing rate, it does not have any relationship with the single circulation. So our correct option will be both assertion and reason are correct, but the reason, it is not the correct explanation of our assertion. So, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion of assertion. Why? Because if the reason given to us would be amount of, according to amount of oxygen in the water, then it would be the correct reason. But here they have explained something else that does not have any relation with the breathing rate. So this is our incorrect option. So here our correct option will be option B, that both are true, but reason, it is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So in this way you have to solve the questions. First step will always be you have to identify whether both the statements are true or false, and then you have to proceed further. Thank you.